What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on my girlfriend's 2019 WRX. We are putting STI wheels from a 18 STI, I think, on. We're swapping them over, and we have a lip kit, rear spats. We got the rear spats, side skirts, and front lip we're putting on. And then I gotta do the spark plugs, but that's easy. So let's get to it. All right, so we are getting the wheels off so we can put the STI wheels on. Unfortunately, these tires are not as good as I thought they were, so we're gonna have to get new tires on Monday. But we're gonna rock them till then. So we're gonna get those off, install the lip kit. We have the rear spats. These have been sitting in the garage for a very long time. You can tell they're dirty as shit. So we got the rear spats, front lip, and skirts. Apparently it's a Subaru party over here. We got STI wheels, we have premium wheels, and Toyo proxies. And we're gonna put the proxies on the STI wheels. But we gotta pop the sensors out of the stock wheels and swap them to the STI wheels because the owner that previously owned these kept the sensors for his wheels. So we just gotta swap them over so we don't have the stupid ass tire light. There's a little teaser mock-up of the STI wheels. Looks so good.
Sunday.
So we got the front lip on. Had to play with the fitment a little bit. It doesn't fit the greatest, but it works. And it looks pretty damn good. Next, we're working on the rear spats. She's putting the final tape on them right now. Get them good or no?
Coming off.
Okay. Fit?
Yep.
Well, that feels pretty good, actually.
Just need to screw it down.
And we gotta put this little ugly ass clip back in this motherfucker. There we go. Now we're gonna have to put some screws in it.
No,
So we got one rear spat install. Looks pretty good, actually. Really happy with that one. All right, so we got the driver's side spat on. Once again, good fitment. Sits real nice. Got the clips in there. There it is. Yeah, coming together. All right, next we gotta put the skirts on. Edwin's already got the wheels and tires swapped over. Looking nice. Got the mutes, Toyo proxies. Yeah, and Christina helped me put on the rear spats. And we already got the front lip on there. So now we gotta work on the skirts. Let's see how these line up. So we're checking the air pressure and all the tires, and we are getting ready to drop her down. It looks so good. Check it out. All right, so we got the wheels on, we got the lip kit on. It looks fantastic. Look how good she is sitting. Oh boy, got the front lip. Check this out. Dude, it looks so good.
It does.
Oh man. So next, we are going to do the plugs. Ugly. We gotta remove all this shit and remove all this shit. Alright, so we got the box out and we got the battery out, and if you want to be a cheater with a Subaru, get a fucking swivel, because it's the best thing ever. You can get into these tight ass spots, or get this goofy custom ass fucking wrench. Where the fuck did you even get this from?
Tony made it. Uncle Tony.
He made it?
Tony
Oh boy.
Just
Just for Subarus, sweet. But yeah, if you have the swivel, you can get right up in there and get all your spots. It's pretty nice actually. So.
The 10s or 12s?
10s. Swivel's your best friend, huh? See how good I am at fingering. Ooh, get her out. Squat. Oh, these are bad.
Are they?
All right, so we got all the old plugs out. You can totally see that they were definitely need to be changed. So we're gonna throw these out and install the new ones right here. So we got the passenger side all hooked up. He's putting everything back together, and I'm putting the final plug back into the driver's side. Just gotta slide this guy in here and tighten this side down and start putting everything back together. So we got everything all back together, and we're gonna go fire this bitch up. Hey, where are the keys? I will. Oh boy. Let's see what she's got. Purring like a kitten. How's it look?
Good.
Yeah, it looks good?
Really good.
Yeah. All right, so now we gotta get in alignment, make sure everything's squared off. It was pulling a little bit to the right, so we're gonna see what that's about. And since we got the new proxies on there, we don't wanna fuck those up. Oh. And move that block right there. Straight as a date. To the left. To the left. Straight, straight, straight. Skirt.
Look at this picture.
Ooh, so good. It looks really good. I can't wait to see it in the daylight. Set.
Huh?
Set.
Come forward.
Forward. Gucci.
Right?
No, it's stock height. It shouldn't. I don't see why it would. Nah, you're good. Go up. Now mine just might be that low. I think mine's just that low.
You know you're not.
Yeah, but that's a big ass gap. That's a lot. It's a lot lower than I thought it was. It looks good. It's really not that bad. Just get it back dialed in, yeah. Sweet. So Edwin's almost got it dialed back in. I don't want to walk in front of the sensors, but not looking too shabby, sir. Yo. All aligned and ready to go. Time to go for a ride. Elevator parking thing. Yeah. Time to go for a ride. I don't know what we're listening to, but everything checks out. Gonna go for a ride. Let's see how good she handles. Ooh, them new grippy grips, you can hear them. Ooh, there we go, lost that for a second. Let's go for a ride. You can hear how fucking sticky those tires are. Only driving with one hand, but we'll make it work. No cop, no stop. Oh yeah, the plugs definitely made a difference. It's not lagging anymore. Up in the mid-range, it would get a little choppy, kind of like throat it. Now it's just smooth sailing. Oh yeah, tires are good, but golly, the body roll. Fucking stock suspension's horrible. Alright, we're gonna bust this UE right here. And I'll see if I can hold it. Handles like a beast. Yeah. So good. Tight, nimble, just the way it should be. Sweet. Super, super happy over this. That's so cool. Alright, ladies and gents, that is it for tonight. I'll get some dope shots in the morning, but for now, we're gonna go out to eat and go the fuck home. So, see you later.